Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a preset in Lightroom. So, what you need to do first is you need to edit the photograph that you will use as your preset guinea pig. So I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to adjust it rather quickly, just so things look pretty good. Doesn't have to get too crazy. Okay, that's good. And then I'll do one selective edit real quick. Sure. Okay, now I'm gonna push those three buttons up in the top and hit create preset. Now you should name this excuse me the location of your photo so that it makes it easy to find this preset later. So I'm gonna call this puddle number 2 because I've already made one. Then I'll hit done, and then if I use this little check mark, it's been saved. So now I can go back to any other photograph and I can add that preset onto that photograph and it'll make it look just like the one I just did. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, have a great day. Bye.